Once upon a time, in a small village, near a thick forest, there lived a poor woodcutter named Kareem. He was known throughout the village for his honesty and hard work. Every morning, he would wake up before sunrise, take his old iron axe, walk into the forest to cut wood. He sold the wood in the market to earn money for his family. Although Kareem was poor, he was always cheerful. He believed that honesty and hard work were more valuable than gold or silver. One hot summer day, Kareem was cutting a large tree near a river. The river was deep and clear, and its water sparkled under the bright sun. As Kareem swung his axe, his hands became sweaty. Suddenly, the axe slipped from his grip. The axe fell into the river and disappeared beneath the water. "Oh no!" cried Kareem. "My axe! How will I earn a living now?" The axe was his only tool. Without it, he could not cut wood or support his family. Kareem sat by the riverbank and began to weep. As he cried, the water in the river started to glow. A beautiful river fairy rose from the water. "Why are you crying, good woodcutter?" she asked kindly. Kareem bowed respectfully and replied, "My axe has fallen into the river. It is the only thing I have to earn my living." The fairy smiled gently. "Do not worry. I will help you." She dived into the river and disappeared beneath the water. A few moments later, she emerged, holding a shining golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Kareem looked at the beautiful golden axe. It was worth more money than he had ever seen, but he shook his head. "No, fairy. That is not my axe." Fairy nodded and disappeared into the water again. Soon she returned with a sparkling silver axe. "Perhaps this one is yours?" she asked. Kareem looked carefully and replied, "No, fairy. My axe is not silver either." The fairy smiled once more and dived into the river for the third time. This time, she returned with an old iron axe with a wooden handle. Kareem's face lit up with joy. "Yes, that's my axe. Thank you so much." The fairy was pleased. "You have been honest even when you had the chance to become rich. As a reward, I will give you all 3 axes." Kareem was amazed. "Thank you, fairy. I will always remember your kindness." He returned home, carrying the iron, silver, and golden axes. The villagers were surprised when they saw him. Kareem told them everything that had happened. Among the listeners was a greedy man named Rashid. When Rashid heard the story, he thought, if honesty brought him gold, perhaps I can become rich too. The next day, Rashid went to the same river. He purposely threw his axe into the water and pretended to cry loudly. "Oh dear! My axe is gone." The river fairy appeared again. "Why are you crying?" she asked. "My axe fell into the river," Rashid replied. The fairy dived beneath the water and returned with a golden axe. Before she could even ask, Rashid shouted, "Yes, yes, that's my axe." The fairy's smile disappeared. "You are lying," she said. "This golden axe does not belong to you." At once, she vanished into the water, taking the golden axe with her. Rashid waited, hoping she would return with his real axe. But the fairy never came back. He lost his own axe and returned home empty-handed. The villagers soon learned what had happened. They understood that greed and dishonesty led only to loss, while honesty brings respect and rewards. Years passed, and Karim continued living honestly. He used the reward wisely, helped people in need, and became one of the most respected men in the village. Parents told his story to their children, teaching them an important lesson. One evening, many years later, Karim was sitting under a large tree with his grandchildren gathered around him. "Grandfather," one of the children asked, "what was the greatest treasure the fairy gave you? Was it the golden axe?" Karim smiled and gently shook his head. "No, my child. The greatest treasure was not the gold or silver. It was the lesson one learned." The children listened carefully. Karim continued, "Gold can be lost. Silver can disappear. But honesty stays with you forever. When people trust you, they respect you. That trust is worth more than any treasure." Just then, a traveler passing through the village overheard Karim's words. The traveler said, "Your reputation for honesty is known far beyond this village. Many people speak of your kindness and truthfulness." Karim thanked him humbly. As the sun set behind the hills, the grandchildren promised to always tell the truth and help others. Karim looked at the golden sky and felt happy. He knew that the lesson of honesty would live on in the hearts of future generations. And so, the story of the honest woodcutter continued to inspire people for many years, reminding everyone that honesty is a treasure that never loses its value.